When a team wins a championship, the picture that gets painted is one where everything was perfect. The reality is, it's always more complicated. It's not so much about making it. It's about maintaining it. That's the toughest part. Those times when you don't feel like working. You're too tired. You don't want to push yourself, but you do it anyway. Those times when you're the last one in the shop, agonizing over the smallest details. That is actually the dream. And in the pursuit of that dream, there is only one pedal. The one on the right. There's a difference between having and lacking pedigree. When you have it, you're confirming. But when you lack it, you're proving. The goal was never to get here. It was to win here. Welcome to the Proving Grounds.
Hello, PDRA race fans. It is Courtney Enders, and we are here in what you can see is a beautiful day at Virginia Motorsports Park for the PDRA World Finals. It is my favorite. It just feels different here. We'll be wrapping up today. We're going to figure out who all the champions are, but right now, history is yet to be told. PDRA Racing World Finals coming at you right now.
I see the place where I was born. I was raised by the new dawn, and now I sit inside the storm.
In the pit area needs Schweitzer Dynamics Pro Nitrous cars to the staging lanes at this time, please. Schweitzer Dynamics Pro Nitrous cars. We need you.
Gotta work for it every day, work for it.
Every single race helps tell the story of where we get to today.
Gotta work for it every day, work for it.
Let's talk points. Everything unfolds today.
I stand alone.
In Pro Nitrous, the boss man, Tommy Franklin, has had an incredible last couple of months, but we've got Jim Halsey and Jay Cox nipping at his heels. Move on to Pro Boost. Jason Harris, it's been party time almost all year this year. Pro Stock, guys, this is where it gets the tightest. We've got Alan Drinkwater, a rookie in the class, coming up against a former world champ, Chris Powers.
Gotta work for it every day.
Engines come to life. It is the final time here at the World Finals in round number 1.
I stand alone. Can't get much higher.
Finish line, strike, airport. Scott Blake takes down Jim Halsey, the Daddy Shark Chevrolet.
I keep on rising.
Melody Saletti at 3:58.2. Watch the scoreboard. 226 miles an hour for Todd Lawyer. That car is an absolute monster. It's going to be Alan Drinkwater getting around JR Cart. Red light start for Chris Powers, and the championship is over.
All right, right, guys, Pro Nitrous round 2. Here we go.
And Jay Cox says, take that. The win light goes to Bill Riddle. Scott Kincaid continues to be undefeated. Oh, look at the wheelie there, but Scott smacks down the racing surface. Chris Cadano, 388 with a 9. Oh my God.
That is one hell of an accomplishment. 100 away for Chris Cadano from the national record in the category. This has been an absolutely crazy day here at the World Finals, man. There's no way you could have predicted what's going on here.
Wild, wild, wild.
We have seen a wild day of racing so far, and it's not even close to being over.
I can assure you, last race, teams are going to throw every single thing they possibly have. And Jay Cox is going to go to the final round. Jason Harris, 3:58.0. John Monacato on a whole shot win. And we're going to do this one more time. Call these finals in 2023. Champions are about to be crowned. We have seen highs, we have seen lows, we have seen so many great races, and it comes down, final rounds right here. They're in, lights are down, Franklin goes towards the wall, and Jay Cox gets the win. Jason Harris, 5'2", 10,000. Monacato is your winner here tonight. Scott Kincaid, 4 for 4 in 2023. Paul Gas by 5,000ths of a second. What an absolutely stellar final round. So, ladies and gentlemen, Alan Drinkwater, your world champion.
Chris Garner-Jones, your world champion.
Jeff Melnick has clinched the world championship.
Donnie Irvin, call him Hollywood, your 2023 champion.
Brayden Davis, world champion.
And your 2023 champion, that's Jason Harris.
TG Paschal wins Top Dragster. Your 2023 world champion, Blake Denton. Chad Traylor is going to be your world champion. Steve Burr has clinched another world championship. Wyatt Stanley ends on top. Bill Riddle, he is a world champion. Your 2023 Pro Nitrous World Champion, Tommy Franklin.
Take me